Using Symphonia brand yarn is 100% cotton yarn, is about 3 millimeters and has like 6 threads. With 2.5 millimeters hook, I will teach you how to make the wings for an angel. Of course, if you want to use another yarn, you can also do it. But remember, if you change the yarn, you need to select the correct hook, and maybe your wings are bigger or smaller than this one. But everything depends of the project that you already made now. At the end of this video, I will tell you about what is the next project with these wings. This color is crystal green colored yarn. We will start with a slip knot, and on round 1 we will start making 6 chains. When you already have 6 chains, we will start in the chain number 3 from the hook, making 4 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and all time on this project we will work taking the back loops only in all the rounds. Then we already finished this round with 4 stitches. On round 2, starting with 1 chain, turn the piece and 4 half double crochet taking the back loops only. One in each half double crochet on the previous round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we already finished with 4 stitches. On round 3, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And starting on the chain number 3 from the hook, we will make 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We already finished with 6 stitches. On round 4, starting with 1 chain, turn the piece and 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On round 5, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting in the chain number 3 from the hook, 8 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We finish this round with 8 stitches. On round 6, 1 chain, turn, and 8 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until finish this round with 8 stitches. On round 7, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And starting on the chain number 3 from the hook, we will make 10 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until finish this round. On round 8, 1 chain, turn, and 10 half double crochet. 1, and just continue doing half double crochet until finish this round with 10 stitches. And on round 9 and the last round, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and starting on the chain number 3 from hook, 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until you are 12 and finish this round with 12 stitches. When you finish the 12 half double crochet, You can make one chain just for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for finish this piece now. And also you need leave enough yarn if you want to make the union with the another wings sewing. But on my case, for the next project, I will use glue to make this union. Just hide the thread, and using a wool needle, you need sewing like this just to close. In whatever point or stitch that you prefer, you can insert the wool needle, and that's it. It's something easy. And after that, you can close. And then we already finished these wings. Remember, you need to make two for each one. And I'm already made one in white color charm because will be the next project for an angel for our nativity things. In the description below, you can find all the tutorials that we already have for this nativity thing. But the next video will be an angel. Then I hope you like this video, and if it's like that, don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.